Simcenter 3D now enables you to efficiently analyze free body loads for non-parallel cutting planes. A typical user case is expected to be on wings, where it will make the simulation of non-parallel ribs much easier. The nodal force report on path command has been enhanced to help manage this new feature. It is now possible to visualize cutting planes and define a specific orientation for each cutting plane. Previously, all cutting planes were parallels. To orientate each cutting plane, you select one coordinate system for each. It is also interesting to notice that you can preview selecting nodes before finishing the creation of all nodal force reports. When all nodal force reports are created, you can generate a shear moment torque diagram along the wing. Now you can create SMT diagrams for several load cases in one shot, whereas you previously had to do one at a time. Finally, you can visualize by plotting diagrams. In this case, vertical shear loads along the wing are visualized for 4 load cases.